Long time no see. Let's celebrate our reunion. After the COVID-19 pandemic, we should rediscover the joy of nature. So we made a titanium, ultra-lightweight, and budget-friendly pocket knife. Look, it's this knife. Let's take a look at how such a lightweight pocket knife is made. We quickly made two cardboard box samples, one perforated and one not. Clearly, the perforated one is lighter. To achieve more precise openings, we have located an advanced CNC factory for high-precision TI handle cutting. Create the handle to be as delicate as a work of art. Outdoor knife prone to dirt. Due to the perforated design of the handle, it can be easily cleaned with a simple rinse. After reviewing it, how do you feel? This ultra-lightweight TDC pocket knife, I believe, will bring an extraordinary experience to my outdoor adventures and home life.